As previously mentioned, the Rhino 3D modeling environment uses a Cartesian coordinate system to define geometry within 3D space. And to do this, we have construction planes. So you could think of construction planes as virtual drafting boards. And if we switch back to our four viewports, you'll see that within the perspective view, by default, we have the XY construction plane, which is represented by these red and green lines and the grid lines. And if we switch to the top view, you'll see that we also have the XY construction plane. And looking at the front and right viewports, the front viewport has an XZ construction plane. We can see that with this other icon on the lower left corner of each viewport, and the right view has a YZ construction plane. So these construction planes, or CPlanes for short, have there's a tab that shows all the different options for working with CPlanes, which is really useful as you start to create more complex geometry or start to control geometry in a certain way. But the default settings have these three construction planes within these four viewports, the XY, XZ, and YZ CPlanes.